Welcome to our tutorial on how to rename sheets in Microsoft Excel. Renaming sheets is crucial for keeping your work organized and easy to navigate, especially when dealing with multiple worksheets in a single workbook. In this video, we'll cover 5 methods to rename your sheets efficiently. Let's get started. The first method we'll look at is using the ribbon, which is a straightforward way to rename your sheets. First, select the worksheet you want to rename by clicking on its tab. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click on Format. Select Rename Sheet from the drop-down menu. The worksheet tab name will be highlighted. Type the new name and press Enter. I'll type Activity 1. Next, let's explore renaming a sheet using the Context menu, which is a quick and easy method. Select the worksheet you want to rename by clicking on its tab. Right-click on the Worksheet tab. From the Context menu, select Rename. The Worksheet tab name will be highlighted. Type the new name and press Enter. I'll type Activity 2. Another simple method to rename a sheet is by double-clicking the Worksheet tab. Select the worksheet you want to rename by clicking on its tab. Double-click on the Worksheet tab. The tab name will be highlighted. Type the new name and press Enter. I'll type Activity 3. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, this method is for you. Select the worksheet you want to rename by clicking on its tab. Press Alt plus H plus O plus R. This will highlight the tab name. Type the new name and press Enter. I'll type Activity 4. Finally, for those who like using VBA, here's how you can rename a sheet programmatically. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Go to Insert and click on Module. Start by typing Sub-Rename Sheet and press Enter. Within Sub-Procedure, type Sheets and open brackets, followed by the existing sheet name within quotes. I will type Sheet 5. Then type .name equal, and the new name as Activity 5, within quotes and click Run. You can see the name of the sheet has changed. To recap, we've covered 5 methods to rename sheets in Excel, including using the ribbon, context menu, double-clicking, keyboard shortcuts, and VBA. Renaming sheets helps keep your work organized and accessible. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.